Understanding seasonality, a comprehensive overview. What is seasonality? Seasonality refers to the periodic fluctuations observed in a time series which occur at regular intervals, typically throughout a calendar year. These changes are often predictable and can significantly influence various aspects of business and economics. Unlike cyclical effects, which can occur over varying time spans, seasonal changes consistently recur within a single calendar year. Key characteristics of seasonality. Predictable timing. Seasonal patterns emerge consistently at specific times, such as spikes in retail sales during the holidays or increased heating costs during winter. Impact on business decisions. Companies leverage seasonality to optimize staffing, inventory management, and marketing strategies. An understanding of seasonal trends can provide businesses with a competitive edge. Economic indicators. Economists analyze seasonal data to better assess and forecast economic performance, acknowledging that consumer spending and other economic metrics are often affected by seasonal variability. Importance of seasonality in business. Understanding seasonality allows businesses to make informed decisions that align with expected changes in demand. For instance, a retailer aware that its sales significantly increase during the holiday season can prepare by stocking up on inventory and hiring temporary staff well in advance. Considerations for seasonal industries. Certain sectors are intrinsically seasonal, like agriculture, tourism, and retail, where the majority of revenues are generated during specific times of the year. For example, agriculture. Sales of seasonal produce align with harvest times and growing seasons. Tourism. Travel activities often peak during summer, while ski resorts attract visitors during winter months. Retail. Companies frequently experience heightened sales around holidays, requiring planning adjustments for staff and inventory. Example of seasonal sales in retail. Retail sales data, reported monthly by the U.S. Census Bureau, can demonstrate significant fluctuations primarily due to seasonal factors. During the fourth quarter, October to December, consumer spending typically surges due to the holiday shopping season. Consequently, retailers often prepare for this anticipated demand to maximize their sales potential. Analyzing seasonality, practical applications. Understanding seasonality provides useful insights for investors and economists alike. For investors. Investors must account for seasonality when analyzing a company's stock performance. A business that thrives during certain seasons, like a clothing retailer in summer, might display misleading profitability metrics if seasonal changes aren't considered. By recognizing these patterns, investors can make more prudent decisions regarding buying or selling shares. For economists. Economists adjust data to account for seasonal variations to present a clearer picture of economic activity. For instance, 2/3 of the U.S. gross domestic product, GDP, is driven by consumer spending, which, as a seasonal factor, can indicate economic health or downturns. When consumers increase their spending, economic growth accelerates, while a decline can suggest economic contraction. Practical examples of seasonality. Several everyday examples highlight the relevance of seasonality across various fields. 1. Heating and cooling expenses. In temperate climates, heating costs rise in the winter and fall in the warmer months, demonstrating predictable seasonal costs. 2. Retail sales patterns. A sunscreen manufacturer will see surges in product sales during summer, while sales drop predictably during winter months. 3. Real estate pricing. Typically, home prices and sales rates spike during the summer, reflecting seasonal buyer behavior. Without adjusting for this seasonality, trends from one season to the next could lead to misleading interpretations regarding the housing market. Special considerations in seasonal planning. Seasonal hiring. Many businesses, especially in retail, respond to predicted seasonal demand by hiring temporary workers. For example, Amazon announced plans to hire 100,000 employees during peak holiday periods to manage increased consumer demand. Target plan to employ 120,000 seasonal staff, based on historical patterns from previous years. These hiring decisions are rooted in analyzing traffic patterns and sales data from prior seasons. Seasonally adjusted data. To make more accurate comparisons concerning economic conditions and business performance, analysts use tools like the Seasonally Adjusted Annual Rate, SAR. SAR helps smooth out seasonal fluctuations in data, allowing for a more straightforward year-to-year comparison of metrics like home sales and retail spending. For example, sales price comparisons between summer and winter without seasonal adjustment could mislead observers into thinking that prices are consistently rising. Adjusting for seasonality clarifies whether price increases are a result of genuine growth or simply seasonal effects. Conclusion. Understanding seasonality is crucial for businesses, investors, and economists alike. By recognizing and anticipating seasonal trends, organizations can make informed decisions that ultimately enhance profitability and efficiency. Whether it's through strategic hiring during peak season or analyzing consumer behavior patterns, a nuanced grasp of seasonality can provide significant competitive advantages in today's dynamic marketplace.